Hey guys, thank you for tuning in with me, Denise, and my channel Under One Roof. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and deciding to watch it. So today's video is something that I wanted to do for a very long time, but I never got down to doing it. And since many of you also requested me to make this video, here it is. It's an Amazon haul, or rather a few purchases that I have made from Amazon in the year 2021. I have used them for a long time and I just want to share my review because I find these items very helpful. The organizations ones especially has really helped me to keep my home very organized and systematic. So yes, this is an Amazon haul of 2021, and I've also mentioned all the items in the description box below. You can always click on the link for that product that you're interested in. So in this video I've basically divided it in three categories: home organization, home decor, and stationery. So since I'm done preparing lunch, and let me just take you through with the rest of the video. So let's go on with it. So these are all the home organization items. Now the first one is called a Haber jute straw basket. This basket is very beautiful and sturdy. It's got two handles. I have used this basket to place all the glasses because I didn't want to see it, because for me it was visual clutter. So by placing it in this basket, everything was hidden and everything looked very organized. This is a steel multi-purpose storage organizer from Shock Decor. They are very sturdy metal baskets and I have used it to store extra groceries. They are see-through, so it makes it more convenient. This kind of basket is perfect for extra groceries because you know what's in it, and searching for items will be really easy. These are adhesive wall hooks. They are really amazing and very strong. I've purchased many kinds of wall hooks, but these by far have been the best. And I have used these to hang kitchen articles like sieves and strainers, tongs. If you've seen the videos before, you might have seen this. And I've also used it to hang the frames in the kitchen as well as in the kids' study room. And so far I've had no issues at all with them. This is an eco-friendly foldable bamboo basket from the brand Home Story. These are really good baskets. I have used them in different areas. The best part is the cover can be removed and it can be washed when it's dirty, and also this is foldable, so if you're not using it you can always collapse it and then store it somewhere and use it when you need it again. And I have used this in many places in my home. I have used this to store the towels. I have used this to store the printer papers just near the printer, and also a few toys, Abha's toys. So it's very sturdy, and yeah, I am loving it. So this is a foldable cube storage basket from the brand Macadil. It's a fabric basket with a lid, and it's perfect to store clothes. Here again, it's collapsible and hence you can fold it when you don't need it, and when you need to store something just open it up again. So it's perfect. Here I have used this to store an extra stock of Abhay's clothes that are a little big for him, so I've used this and kept it in his wardrobe. This is an adjustable bookend from the brand My Collection. It's a very cute looking bookend and it's expandable. Hence, you can fit quite a lot of books and binders or whatever is it that you need. For me, I have placed my binder and the kids' binders, and it's just perfect. And it's perfect for a study table because it just holds up all the books perfectly. These are plastic interlocking drawer organizers from the brand Innovera. These organizers are perfect to organize your pens and other stationery, and the best part is it's interlocked and hence prevents moving around in the drawer. So we needed a good table to place our printer, and this really fit the bill. It's called the Industrial Side Table from the brand Bestsellers. It has two-tier mesh shelves and it's got a metal frame with a wooden shelf on top. And this really made it very convenient to place the printer. And also on the second shelf, I placed a basket with printer paper, so it made it all the more convenient. And on the last shelf, I just placed a basket with Abhay's toys. It's the perfect height for him. So all in all, I feel this was a good buy for us. This is a two-tier standing rack. It's a metal rack from the brand Shock Decor. It's very sturdy and I've used it in my bathroom counter to store my essential oils and other toiletries. You can always use it as a kitchen counter organizer as well. Now, home decor. So this is a cute cupcake salt and pepper shaker from the brand Chumbak. So I'll be really honest, as a salt and pepper shaker, for what it's made, it's completely useless. It's not airtight and the lid keeps coming out, and I would definitely not recommend this as a salt and pepper shaker. But I found the design so cute, so I did not return it and I let it be, and I am going to be using it as a home decor item because it's so cute. And I've placed this decor piece on my cake stand. This is a resin owl showpiece from Craft Vatika, and it's not very big. It's just the length of my palm and my palm is very small but it's exactly what I wanted. It's cute, small and perfect for the place that I needed it for. So if you've watched my videos in the past, you would know by now that how much I love lighting scented candles. And so I bought a couple of scented candles, and yeah, they're pretty good. So let me just take you through all of them. So this is the first one. This is a vanilla honey scented candle from Divine Senses. It's so pretty, the packaging. It's a glass container with a wooden lid, and the fragrance is simply amazing. So this is from a brand called Self Care. I was not really happy with the packaging. It's a normal glass jar with a printout as the label, and it was just stuck with sellotape, and inside also the wax is pretty loose. It's a soy wax candle. I haven't lit it, so I'm not really sure how the fragrance is, but I'll definitely keep you posted in the later videos. So that's that. Then this other one is from Vice Life Organics. It's really beautiful. I've kept this in my bathroom and the fragrance is amazing. It's very nice scented candle. And these are 6 small tiny little candles. They are soy wax candles. They're really good, from Divine Senses, and the fragrance is very strong. And yeah, I placed some of them on the dining table, and I keep them basically for the kitchen. Like when I clean the kitchen, I light this up. It's really good. So yeah, if you like scented candles, these are a few of my suggestions. This is a round decorative tray with a glass mirror. It is 10 inches in diameter and it's from Craft Brio. I found it so beautiful and it came perfectly packaged. I have placed the owl showpiece and the candle with the wooden lid on this tray, and I've placed it in my living room. So this is a wooden wall hanging with metal lanterns, and it's actually a candle holder. It comes in a pack of two. I've placed it on my balcony wall, and I've also placed two artificial plants on it. The material that is used is pretty good actually, because it's been on my balcony for over a year now, and so far it hasn't worn out. So yeah, so this is my favorite stationery. I just love it. So this is a Pentanic multicolored gel pens. It's a set of 12 colored gel pens. They are very smooth. I use them when I journal and when I use my planner. If you like writing and journaling or just looking for smooth pens, this is really a good buy. So these are really cool. These are Faber-Castell Super Fluorescent Gel Highlighter pens. They are completely ink free, so they won't go dry, and they are perfect for glossy thin paper textbooks. You can just twist the bottom to advance or retract the gel stick, and it just does not spread or anything. I just love these highlighter pens. So my kids absolutely love this. It's a pencil sharpener from Chrome, and it creates long and fine pencil tips. And the good part is it has a shaving container and thus avoids a mess. It definitely makes a great functional desk accessory. So I'm trying to introduce planning to my kids, and that's why I got this daily activity planner for kids. It's from Happy Valley. It's an undated planner, and it's very interesting. It makes planning very interesting for kids. It has a chore activity list, it has doodle space, affirmation, gratitudes, water intake, and outdoor activity, and also mood tracker. This makes it a lot of fun for them to use. So guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you found this video helpful. I tried to get in as much as I could, so if it has, please do let me know in the comment section below, and the links are all mentioned in the description box. So I'll see you next week guys with another video. Have a lovely and a safe weekend and a week ahead. Bye bye.